Nate Harris, and I got a quad.
Alright, boys, as y'all can see, we done made it out to Crooms. My first time out here, so. My boy Rob come out here and ride a little bit. See what he working with. Y'all already know what I'm working with. That's right. Alright guys, made it out to Crooms. Man, it's real ruddy out here today, man. It's like you need a fucking Baja suspension. Uh-oh, look like somebody's down. Damn, I hope he's alright. Big pit area here, but getting back here, I mean, man, it's real ruddy. Come my boy Rob. Oh man, somebody down over there. I didn't even see him fall because I was filming. He must have went over the handlebar because there ain't nothing over there.
It's whooped and shit. You just can't see him. It's whooped. All this shit whooped.
Yeah, but they more spread out.
Yeah. That been acting up, man. I might have to take it back to old boy.
Yeah. Got another one down. Oh no, that ain't her. I see her sit right there. That was somebody else. Yeah, we out here. It ain't that dusty as I thought it would be. Considering
See how
shit.
it was on the trail.
Yeah, but I mean, consider 20 motherfucking bikes out there. It
Yeah.
should be dustier. Yeah. Yeah, we out at Crooms, Brooksville, Florida. Me and my boy Rob just got some ride out. Real ruddy out here, man. Say when it rains, it smooths the track out a little bit, but where the trails, but I don't know. Unless you go real fast, you can jump over some of them, but I don't ride like that yet, so. I'll ride a little more and get a little more experience. I try all that stuff. So we're gonna load up and get out of here. Oh yeah, next time I'm gonna have some type of mount on the bike or my helmet or something so you can ride with me and see what I see. All right, see you.